Okay, recording. So, Tanaka K98. 7 gas type magazines. They're all genuine Tanaka magazines. There are 2 sets of custom made pouches that take the Tanaka magazines. Perfect fit. They're quite nicely worn in as well. But they're absolutely 100% sound. So, a pair of those. A leather rifle cover goes over the action of the rifle to protect it from crud and bashes when you're moving it around. A genuine period World War II K98 bayonet with wooden handle. None of your Bakelite crap. There's the. It's not a matching numbered sheath, but it is a genuine World War II one, and it's got no dents in it at all. No dings, which is pretty rare. Repro frog. Leather frog scope case, and inside that is a ZF39 Repro scope from China, which is pretty damn fucking hot. I'll get that out in a minute and show it going onto the rifle. So that's the bits that will come with it. Right, onto the rifle itself. So this is a Tanaka K98 that has been much modified. All the metalwork's been rubbed down and blued as far as you can blue pot metal, but it's got that dirty grey steely look. It's far better than how it was originally. There's the mounts for the ZF39 turret. They are both screwed and JB welded on. That sight, that rear sight there on a previous rifle was only JB welded on, and I had to take a hammer to it to get it off. So they are never ever going to be knocked off. They're screwed and JB drilled and tapped, all done proper. Genuine wood stock. Genuine metal band, genuine metal spring, genuine metal front band, stock aluminium Tanaka outer barrel, proper cleaning rod that screws in as it should do, because it's going into a real wood fitting which has the proper threaded piece in the back of it to take that rod. The rod's genuine, and the scope. Okay, help me please. So film that coming out of there, and remove, the scope comes out. It's been lightly weathered. Oh man, I love that smell of cosmoline. It's coming off the rifle. So you fit the scope, slots in like that, it twists, make sure the retainer lever is in the right position to allow it to go on, lock it, and there she is. It's got a high quality Repro sling, not the one that comes with the Tanakas, which is a piece of suede shite. It has a best gun shop hop unit in it. If anyone knows about these, they know that that's probably the best hop unit you could get for these. You can't get them anymore, long out of production. But it was the best hop, and still is the best hop upgrade for these. Absolutely 100% gas seal, and it lifts 48s without any problem at all. If you wanted to sling BBs that heavy. Safety works, it's all functional. Bolt comes out as it should do by disengaging that lever. The chrome plated extractor claw got the treatment because it looked completely bollocks. It is a thing of beauty, and it smells absolutely yummy. Okay, turn it off.